Bumblebee, hello guys. Oh, hi guys. Sorry, I couldn't show you that. But anyway, I wanted to guys, you've been commenting, well you haven't actually, nobody has commented, but on my friends' videos they've been commenting. I'm not telling my friends, but my friends have been commenting like, please play Rainbow Friends. So if you guys watch my channel, I'm playing Rainbow Friends. What was that? I don't know what that was. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Okay. Let's go. Anyway. Addy Joko. Let me move my chair in. Anyway, guys, I just figured out how to do this. I'm kind of scared on bro, I can't jump. Guys, I can't jump. I keep climbing over the fence. Addy Joko. Anyway, yeah. This probably is gonna be like another 8. This is taking forever. By the way, Granddad, I think I found a way, but I'm gonna show you after. Oh, I'll go too. I need to see if there's an odd rule 3 because my friend's been saying there's an odd rule 3 around. So please tell me if there's an actual odd rule 3. Like, really. Let's skip this. Done! Waiting for 10 out of 14 players to get out of it. So that was just stuck in that trap. I'm one of the 10 players. Is that another watch?
These are my watch boxes. These are the boxes they came in.
Oh. The game is starting! If you guys can see my head, it's like this big. Yeah, here. It's up here. It's up here. Oh guys, okay, I'm running. I'm moving to the back again. Addy Joko. Okay, I'm sorry if you guys couldn't hear that, but anyway. We're going to Rainbow Friends. Sorry for like that. Oh, there's one in here. Wait, I couldn't get that. Oh, this girl got me and then this girl. What? Guys, my server just unconnected. Okay, I'll call you guys right back. I'll be right back. Okay guys, sorry about that, but my server unconnected. I do not know how many times that's going to happen. So I'm sorry about that. Anyway, we're loading. By the way guys, don't worry about this. Where is it? But one of my braids over here doesn't, oh, found it. It is right here. This braid doesn't have beads on it. This braid, other braid. This braid doesn't have any, like, beads sideways and crack. Anyway, I'm gonna skip this. Sorry I've been talking to you for so long time. The game is starting. Sorry, I have to turn my camera off because my hair's about to be taken out. So, I can't. Okay. So, I'm gonna just keep my camera off for now. Actually, I'm just kidding, guys. Nothing happened. After the security measures. After the security measures. What in the world are you doing out here? Aska. Monsters, you say? I'm sure it's just your imagination. Here, why don't you just help me find the SOS light? Every theme park has one. Guys, we're helping find the SOS light. This is good. Register.
I'll go get the others.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. One of them is going to be around here somewhere. I want to get those. Let me get this one. Oh, let me get this one. No, Lainey. Bro. Lainey. Can you go? You can go in the blue castle. But I'm gonna go in my box. Oh. Okay, I'm in Blue's castle. Guys, yes, finally. You can go in this. Okay. Yeah. Found more. I don't know how to. Oh, sugar. Shoot. What's this? Oh, okay, hi, Lainey. Laser tag is somewhere over here. I'm scared. I don't know where to bring them. I have 2 right here. I got 10 coins, guys. There's 12 out of 15 now. We just need 3 more. Oh, 21 and 25. Okay. We need 4 more. Oh, this is like a hiding place. Bro, I can't fit there. Okay, so it goes like this. Okay. Didn't mean to do that. Anyway, guys. Ooh. Bro. Ooh, shit. I'm stuck. Help me. Bro, guys. Help. Cashier! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that just happened. Okay, I'm crouching. Bro, there's blue. Yo, there's blue. Yes, there's 2 more. Found it. 2. Come on, let's go, guys. Both of them are in Blue's castle. So if I can just sneakily get into Blue's castle without him noticing. What am I saying? Oh, hey Gab, it's not in that room. Let me try looking. It was in that room. It was in that room. Guys, I'm done. Officially. I have swing light right here. Slippery, slippery. Boo's close. Guys. Lacey! Bro. Ooh. The old man's gonna get stuck in there. So I have the last ones. I have the last one. What happened to it? I had the last one. It took it. Because I was being dumb. Meet Gabs and Mezeronian. Literally, I was just in here. I can't get this. Okay, whatever. But Blue is going all out, guys. Is it just me or all these people? By the way, guys, I can't hear nothing. Okay, I'm just gonna. Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah, honestly, I'm gonna let Green take me because I don't want to be the last person. Yeah, I just close my eyes sometimes. And the last one. That was the last one too. There's nobody there. Everyone's black, guys. Literally. They were all gone. So, by the way, guys, that's how it ends. I didn't get a happy ending. Thank you guys for watching. You should subscribe down below. I love you guys. Bye. Yeah, Blue literally is just like, can I see two cameras? There's no cameras.